morning, everyone, and welcome to the Phillips Edge, Your Competitive Advantage webinar. Today, we're sharing how you can innovate your production floor from start to finish. I'm Lauren Ramsey, your host, and I'm delighted to be here with you today. In this dynamic webinar, we're diving deep into the strategies, technologies, and insights that will empower you to take your production floor to the next level. We've created a lineup of 5 exceptional speakers, each bringing their expertise and passion to the table. First up, we have Kim Potts, Vice President of Sales at Phillips Commercial, who will discuss how innovation has been driving Phillips offerings, particularly focusing on Haws, CNC builders, and other solutions. Next, Tim Grind, our VP of Additive Sales at Phillips Commercial, will shed some light on EOS, our global leader in industrial 3D printing technology. Following Tim, you'll hear from Eric Reno, the General Manager for Engineered Products Division Group, who will introduce a wide range of products designed to enhance manufacturing operations. Brad Garris will take the stage to discuss Mark-forged, industrial strength 3D printers and their transformative impact on the production floor. Last but not least, Jason McCurdy, our Vice President of Opto Applications and Robotics at Phillips Commercial. He will explore the optimization strategies that Phillips Opto offers to revolutionize your production floor. Together, our speakers will guide you through a journey of innovation, offering insights, solutions, and particular strategies to help you stay ahead of today's competitive landscape. As we explore the Phillips Edge, Your Competitive Advantage, and discover how you can innovate your production floor from start to finish. I'm excited to introduce our first speaker, Ken Potts, VP of Sales at Phillips Commercial. Ken brings a wealth of experience in CNC machinery and manufacturing solutions. Today, Ken will unveil the latest innovations from Haws, an American-owned CNC builder known for revolutionizing the industry since 1983. From reliable workhorses like the VF2s to precision-driven ST-Series lathes, Haws sets the standard for performance. Ken will also introduce exciting additions to the Haws lineup tailored for high production needs. Join me in welcoming Ken as he explores the forefront of machining technology and Phillips Corporation's comprehensive solution. Ken, the floor is yours.
Hi, I'm Ken Potts, Vice President of Sales at Phillips Corporation. Let me tell you about Haws Automation. Haws is an American-owned CNC builder that has been producing machines that serves the machining industry since 1983. With the ever-popular workhorses, the VF2s, 3s, and 4s also comes along in a SS model for your high production needs. The ST-Series lathes with Y-axis and without, ranging from a 1 3/4 bore to a massive 12-inch bore to cover all your needs. This year, Haws has added machine tending cobot and a 25 kg robot pallet changer for your high volume production needs. The new DC-1 with the BT30 spindle is going to be great for your high production needs and small parts. Phillips can not only just sell you a new machine, but we can also tool it up with all the Haws tooling. Haws tooling offers anything from cutting tools to the inserts that you need, even including the work oven. Another great thing that's going to be coming up in the near future is Demo Day. We have it April 5th in Tennessee and Bishop State on April 11th. Please go to our website for any other areas that will have a demo day. I look forward to seeing you there.
Thanks for that, Ken. Our next speaker is Tim Grind, the Vice President of Additive Sales at Phillips Commercial. Tim will be diving into the world of EOS, a pioneering force in industrial 3D printing technology. Get ready to explore how EOS is reshaping modern manufacturing as Tim walks us through the remarkable advancements in additive manufacturing. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to Tim as he unveils the transformative potential of EOS.
Hello, my name is Tim Grind. I'm Vice President of Additive Sales at Phillips Commercial. And today I'd like to speak about a company that we proudly represent at Phillips called EOS. So EOS is a global leader for industrial 3D printing technology, really focused on the production of end-use parts. So think of parts that go into everyday things in your everyday life, like automobiles, airplane engines, or even the human body as implantables like spinal implants or knee implants. So quick brief history on EOS. They were founded in about 1989, so a little older than 30 years old, by a gentleman named Dr. Hans Langer. They're still privately owned today by the Langer family, and Dr. Langer was a pioneer of laser sintering technology, which is the technology that EOS has grown and really developed into what is considered laser powder bed fusion technology. So EOS focuses on only laser powder bed fusion 3D printing in both metal and polymer systems. So they manufacture the machines, but they also provide the materials that go into these machines, the powdered metal or powdered polymer, and they create the software and also offer the services or consulting and post-sale services to help customers maximize the use of this hardware. So what is laser powder bed fusion? It's one of many 3D printing technologies out there, but it's probably the most developed and industrialized technology of the entire 3D printing landscape. So in a nutshell, laser powder bed fusion basically fuses a layer of powdered material. So it uses a laser beam to melt and fuse either the metal or plastic material or the powder together. So basically the process lays down a layer of material, the laser interacts with it, and then it repeats that process over and over again until a final third-dimensional part is created. So think of a design kind of sliced up in a million layers or less or more, and the layer is solidifying each layer. But the real beauty of this process is the parts that these printers can churn out. They often look like something out of this world, or alien made because of the design freedoms that can now be achieved by this process. So you can enable biomimicry or designs that are influenced by nature, or that include lattice-like structures or hollow spaces that really couldn't be manufactured any other way using any other metal forming or polymer forming technique. But yet the performance or the function of these materials are stronger as traditional methods out there today. So compared to CNC machining or casting, metal 3D printed materials hold up, and they perform just as well in these end-use applications. So from high-level benefits of additive manufacturing technology, in particular for laser powder bed fusion, I mentioned design. So the design freedom that this technology provides is unparalleled to really any other manufacturing method out there today. So for example, you can lightweight a part. Think of a bracket that was going on an aircraft that weighed 10 pounds. Now you can really suck out as much of that weight as possible while maintaining the maybe structural integrity or performance that you originally intended from that original design. So the less weight, the better for an aircraft, because weight is cost, and the cheaper you can operate these aircraft, the better it is for everyone, from the consumers. So that's one example, or maybe a bone or an implant, like a hip implant, where a lattice structure, a very complex design, can be incorporated into the part that allows the bone to grow into it or anchor solidly, which really couldn't be created any other way. Another benefit is functional integration or assembly consolidation, where a part that required 20 plus pieces, maybe welded together, now can be printed as a single unit, where you're basically eliminating all the labor time or maybe tooling that went along with the traditional process, and allows this part to perform a lot better maybe in the end. Functional customization. So for customer specific parts, maybe implants like I mentioned earlier, or braces that need to be adapted to a specific patient, or if you just wanted a lot size of one part, where you just wanted to make a custom part for a certain vehicle and maybe a completely different design for another vehicle, this can now be achieved with laser powder bed fusion at scale. And then probably the best benefit for 3D printing technology in general, but especially for a production process like laser powder bed fusion, is time to market, where you can go from prototyping to production almost immediately overnight, and you can get haptic feedback of your designs in the process development cycle. So what may have taken months on end to design a casting or a metal casted part where you had to manufacture the tooling, get the casting made through a supplier, which could take almost years, now can be achieved or compressed into maybe months or days even, to print, test, reiterate, and then print again, and then get your final product, and then maybe scale up through printing in general from there. So a ton of benefits, and I just kind of touched the tip of the iceberg with this short talk, but we'd be happy to talk about your designs further and maybe evaluate where laser powder bed fusion or EOS technology could benefit your organization. Thank you.
Thanks for those insights, Tim. Now I'm excited to introduce the next segment of our webinar, focused on innovating your production floor. Joining us now is Eric Reno, the General Manager for Phillips Engineered Products Group within our commercial division. Eric will be discussing product lines that extend beyond our usual offerings, offering practical solutions to enhance your production floor, from VTLs for vertical turning lathes to Johnford's large scaling machines capabilities. These tools are tailored to streamline your operations and boost efficiency. With EDMs for precision cutting and QuickTech's hybrid turning machines for high volume production, Eric and the Phillips team are here to empower your workflow. Let's hear from Eric as he shares how these cutting edge tools can revolutionize your production floor and drive your business forward.
Hi, I'm Eric Reno. I'm the General Manager for Phillips Engineered Products Group, part of the commercial division. And along with our partner Absolute Machine Tools, we represent product lines that fall outside of our normal offering. And I'll kind of go through some of those brands right now. UGVTLs. So we offer vertical turning lathes that go for anywhere from 6-inch all the way up to 7, 8, 9 meter in diameter. So a lot of that industry is, oil and gas, aerospace, anybody that's doing large turning. That's where our VTLs come in. Johnford, which offers boring mills and larger double columns and gantry machines. So just basically generally big parts, once again, oil field stuff, aerospace, anybody that does larger parts that are like rectangle, rounds, flat, you name it. Well, we can do it on those machines. Then we have Accutex EDMs, which we offer various wire machines and sinker machines. Sinkers we can use for doing keyways and doing certain features on parts, and wire we can cut out complex shapes as well as holding close tolerances and finishes. Then we have our production turning lines, which are Lyco, QuickTech, and Nexturn. Nexturn is a Swiss line that we offer. And then we have QuickTech, which is what we call a hybrid, which is kind of like a machine that fits in between a Swiss and a conventional turning machines. And then we have Lyco, which is a CNC single spindle screw machine, which you can actually have 4 or 5 tools in a cut at a time, and also has sub spindles so we can run off parts complete. Where these machines vary, as it says, production turning. So anybody's producing large volumes of parts, need fast cycle times, do one setup and run part off complete with no other operations. That's where our production line comes in, production turning line. Seiki drill tap machines, any small parts that need vertical machining, fast cycle times, smaller tools. That's where our drill tap machines come in. We have pressy hole gun drills, so doing gun drilling holes in bar stock to various diameters and lengths. You can also automate that stuff. So as you can tell with gun drills, it's big into the gun industry for doing gun barrels. Then we have Enshu horizontal machining centers, high-end Japanese equipment. What we use those for is a lot of production horizontal machining. Then we have APEC. APEC is a high-end 5-axis builder of large equipment. So large dual ram, multi-ram gantry machines, as well as just huge bridge machines as well. That's our product offering, and hopefully there's something we can help you out with in the future. Thanks.
Thanks for your insights, Eric. Now I'm thrilled to introduce Brad Garris. Brad will be discussing Markforged industrial strength printers and why they're a fantastic addition to any production floor. With a dedicated team supported by Phillips Commercial, Brad is here to showcase how Markforged printers enhance manufacturing processes. These printers offer strong parts and exceptional service, aligning perfectly with our commitment to delivering outstanding experiences for our customers. Brad will highlight successful implementations of Markforged printers in industries like aerospace and education, emphasizing their role in streamlining workflows, reducing costs, and increasing efficiency on the production floor. Let's delve into the world of Markforged printers with Brad Garris. Brad, take it away.
Really excited about coming to you guys today and talking a little bit about our Markforged industrial strength printers. Basically, the concept that we have with Markforged is we have strong parts right now. I lead a great team. We have sales support here with Phillips Commercial. We also have a true full application team that'll come in and support all of your application needs, work you through design for additive manufacturing, and help you make sure that you're optimizing your parts the right way and the best way. We also have a full support team here at Phillips Commercial. We have a group of individuals that are Markforged certified for composite as well as metal printing. And we also have the first team that's been FX10 certified. And the FX10 is the newest printer in the Markforged line of printers. One of the things we also want to make sure we deliver is that Phillips experience. So you guys know us for our Haas CNC technology. You know us that we deliver the great experience to our customers, making sure we're providing the best solution, the best resource, and the best manufacturing technology for everything that you guys are trying to accomplish. And we know that the Markforged printer line is also one of those technologies that can help. We've seen a great collaboration between our subtractive customers when they add an additive technology like Markforged into their process. We're able to print strong parts, can give you the parts that have the same strength as 6061 aluminum. We're able to use these parts directly in the factory floor, being able to show you how you can save time, save money, and save efficiencies and make more profit, which is absolutely exactly what we're trying to help you guys accomplish. So where have we been successful? So really our greatest successes have been in two areas, the factory floor and education. In the factory floor, I'll start. We're able to help customers with work holding, with MRO, spare parts, and replacement parts. So you're able to lower your cost of use and lower your cost of inventory. We've also worked with fixturing. We've worked with inspection. What areas have we worked in? Aerospace, food and beverage, defense issues. We are here to help support you in many of those areas with our composite printers. We also have the ability to help you with our metal printing. So we have 3 different types of tool steels, A2, D2, H13. We also can do stainless steel, 17-4 stainless, 625 Inconel. We also can print in pure copper. Our metal technologies are really enhancing the way we're approaching our business and helping our customers create designs that they've never been able to create before with a traditional subtractive manufacturing process. I mentioned a little bit about the FX10. It is a new production printer that is ready to load and ready to help our customers move forward with their space and move forward in their additive technology. We're really excited here at Phillips. We've helped hundreds of customers on the industrial side. Now let's talk about the education side. With our education platform, we have great processes and great programs in place like Markforged University, where you can actually certify your team, certify your class and your students to where they have industry recognized certifications that enable them to go out and actually process and show their potential employers the ability they have through their certification. That certification is also available on our industrial side, and it's a great way to help our customers learn how to be the best additive technologist printers they can be. Anyway, really excited about it. If you guys have any questions, we're definitely going to be here to stick around and look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.
Thanks for those insights, Brad. Now I'm happy to introduce our final speaker, Jason McCurdy, Vice President of Opto Applications and Robotics at Phillips Corporation. He will guide us through the transformative strategies to optimize your operations. Jason leads our Phillips Opto, a brand dedicated to enhancing efficiency and profitability, coined by our leader, Alan Phillips. With tailored solutions ranging from basic training to advanced programming, Phillips Opto is committed to driving innovation on your production floor. Let's hear from Jason as he shares insights on how Phillips Opto can revolutionize your operations and propel your business forward.
Hi, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Jason McCurdy. I am the Vice President over Opto Applications and Robotics here with the Phillips Corporation. Phillips Opto is a brand coined by our leader, Alan Phillips, and we feel it represents and captures the spirit of what our engineers do every day. Opto stands for optimization. This service provides engineering support catered to help our clients become even more profitable. What do these services include? Well, from our basic mill and lathe operator and program training, which includes 5-axis programming, 4-axis, Y-axis, dual spindles, and much more, we're here to offer those solutions to help you upskill your partners on your floor every day. Cutting tools and work holding, we have a dedicated opto engineer who helps our customers with their tooling needs, and they offer those tools at great prices through the Haas platform. He gets to understand your shop situation and provides tooling that fits your needs, whether it's a one-off prototype job or a high-volume contract job. CAM software training, we have a wide variety of softwares that our engineers use every day and certainly are capable of coming out and helping you, whether that's training you or whether that's helping you on post-processing needs. Again, we offer programming services. We offer big fixture design and build opportunities. We identify and provide solutions for optimizing machining and even go as far as to offer suggestions about shop processes. We handle custom solutions and share key projects. We like to call them share keys as opposed to turnkeys, as we found the long-term results are always better when the relationship is built, decisions are mutually agreed on, and everyone understands the end result that they have in mind. Need advanced training? We offer advanced training for macros and probing. Have a machine that makes decisions for you or provides good parts and reduces scrap rates? You simply need to limit your operator intervention of having them interact with these programs? Or have a probe check a raw part or raw stock conditions and make recut decisions, reject, bring in tolerances gradually. Your operator doesn't have to be skilled and can be reallocated to other areas by utilizing this technology. Need custom templates created for a family of parts with pictures and descriptions to help you reduce programming time? No problem. Our team can step in and help you with all of those needs at a moment's notice. Machine modifications and automation, we have it handled. In fact, if it has anything to do with your machine's ability to make money, our engineers are here and ready to help. So why the Phillips Corporation? The Phillips Corporation has a long history in the manufacturing industry. Most of our customers have come accustomed to us providing legendary customer service on their behalf. Need to get a machine up and running fast to meet a tight deadline? Call Opto. Need help in training your new hires and don't have time? Our Opto team is here to help. Our Opto team goes in and has a wide variety of industry knowledge, and with that knowledge, they put that information into their tool belt and they bring that with them every day to your floor to help you bring fresh ideas and new perspectives to your shop to help you grow. Our application team is located in every state in the commercial division, and we're here to help. We look forward to talking to you soon. We look forward to the opportunities ahead in 2024, and we'll see you in the field.
Thank you all for joining us today and being a part of the Phillips Edge Your Competitive Advantage webinar. We've explored some incredible insights and strategies from innovating your production floor, and I hope you found them valuable. Before we wrap up, I want to encourage each of you to take a moment to complete the survey that will pop up shortly after this webinar. Your feedback is incredibly important to us, and we strive to improve and tailor our content to better meet your needs. As a token of our appreciation, everyone who completes the survey will receive exclusive Haws swag. But that's not all. By completing the survey, you'll also be entered into a chance to win our Haws tooling giveaway, featuring the top-of-the-line tools that can elevate your manufacturing operation to new heights. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Your feedback matters, and we want to ensure that we continue to deliver valuable content that empowers you on your journey to success. Once again, thank you for being a part of today's webinar. We look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in the future. Stay innovative, stay inspired, and have a fantastic day.